Wow, the comments section on our channel this last week has been worse than election day. This is crazy. We're gonna do our best to fix that in this video. Let's have some fun. Oh, Abby. Oh, you did it! I hope I got that on camera. Hey everyone, I'm Nate.
And I'm Abby.
Amelia's taking a nap and Popeye is, what's he doing? Popeye's scrubbing all the toilets back on the ship. We're the RC Sailors. Welcome to our RC family.
You are
Everybody
so
hates
weird.
That Popeye is always working hard back at home. Hey, we're gonna have some fun in this video. This is our Pirates 3. And you guys remember we were bashing it and we drove it up a tree, that's right, and it fell on a tire and it cracked the tire. Well, Abby and I picked up some Proline tires that fit perfectly. Now what I did, just so you guys see a reference here, these are the original tires. I left them on the front. Only one of the old ones cracked, but I wanted you to be able to see the visual difference between the new Proline tires and the original tires. So that's why I left the old ones on the front. This should be fun. I actually have two more in case these new ones break. And in this video, I fully expect to break one of these tires because of this ramp. Now I don't want to. We're here to take care of our stuff, but this will be fun. I want to get a little bit better at controlling vehicles in the air. We do fly planes and race drones after all, so we should be able to control this in the air, right? Well, as I said, we've been having a lot of negativity in the comments, and I'm sure there will be a little bit of negativity in today's video's comments, but I'd like to change that. So if we get 1,200 likes on this video, then we'll give some money away with an Amazon gift card. So hopefully you're not too negative about that. Abby and I are just gonna have fun ramping a giant monster truck on a huge ramp. Let's do this.
I think we're gonna add an RC Sailor sticker every time we do a video.
The first video that we did, I drove first with this ramp and I destroyed that little monster truck on the first go. So this time, Abby's at the controls, and let's see what you can do, Abby. There you go. Ah, it'll take a couple tries to hit it. She only got 2 wheels on the ramp. So yeah, this is our first set of Proline tires on anything. I know they make really good stuff and I'm excited to see how they hold up. Very smooth, very nice. Oh, oh. Oh, good save. Good control in the air. And that's why Abby is the queen of ground vehicles. She can drive them and not break them. Oh yeah, oh! Little too much, little too much. Look at the power this thing has. That's running on a 3S battery, you guys, freshly charged. This thing's a blast. Now let's talk about this ramp for a second. Full backflip. Full backflip. Let's talk about this ramp while Abby lines up the next shot. So a lot of you guys fell in love with this thing, rightfully so, and some of you said that it's too expensive. Oh, a wheelie onto the ramp. And I will say this, when I first saw the ramp, I was a little bit sticker shocked too. Oh, Abby. Let's face it, would you rather spend $200 on a ramp or $200 on an RC? Well, if you're new into the hobby and you only own 1 or 2 trucks, I say spend your $200 on a truck. But once your collection starts growing and you've got, you know, 5, 6, 7 vehicles, oh, that came down hard on those new Proline tires. Oh, oh. Might be my turn. So some of you guys say that the $200 price point for this ramp is expensive, and basically to everyone that says that, I couldn't agree more. $200 for a ramp is expensive, but there's a reason for that, okay? Abby and I have been looking for a place to ramp for a long time now. You know that. We found the fairgrounds and then they took that away. We don't have a place to ramp naturally, so we have to make one or have one made. I don't know how, or don't have the ability or the time to make a ramp. Oh, You came down so hard on that.
So bad.
Yeah. Oh, geez. Yeah, you did some damage that time.
That was a complete noob. That was really bad.
I'd say it's my turn to ramp before the truck is completely destroyed. Yeah, wow, Abby. Whoa. Arms are okay.
That whole piece right there came
Yeah.
off. My bad.
So first of all, availability for us, there's not a lot of options available. Yeah, we've found some plastic ramps online and even in sporting goods stores, but they're really expensive, about half the price of this metal ramp for those plastic ones. Plastic's not holding up as well and it's not as heavy, so it moves when you hit it. Plus they're way smaller. I've never seen a plastic ramp this size. Now this is fully made of metal and there's a lot of value to that. Oh, wrong way again. All you have to do is hit the brakes. And we know that this ramp is going to hold up for a really long time. I'm trying to give you guys just the true factual pros to look at to go with that negative con of $200. And I am not being paid to say anything. Yes, they did send this ramp because I sought them out and asked for it. And I'll be honest with you, if they said no, we were going to buy it because I like this ramp. I find the value in it. Not everybody that watches our channel, mostly beginners or budget-minded people, are going to want to buy something like this. But for us on our YouTube channel and to help entertain you guys that are always asking for us to be a little harder on our RCs, this is also for you. And to those of you that are new and you don't know the character that we are, I want to remind you we do say bad things about things that have been given to us, even way more expensive than this. Remember the Hubsan Xeno when it first came out, how bad it performed on Android devices? We did a video dedicated to showing you how bad it performed on Android. Now they fixed that since then, but just laying a foundation for you guys, because I think a lot of you were thinking that we were selling this for them or something.
No, we're just actually excited.
I just really, personally, honestly like this. And welcome to our channel. That's what we do. So we're going to continue to have fun with this. And I got to hit this ramp a little bit too because Abby has broken a couple parts off this truck. Those Proline tires are holding up really well. I'm very excited about that. Let's see if I can do this without breaking it.
It's already broken, so you win. Nice save. Oh, that was perfect. I had some good ramps too. And then I slowly got bad as I kept going. I don't know what happened. Jeez! Ah, that sounded terrible! Did you kill it?
No, I thought
How'd our ramp hold up? Probably perfect. This thing is like a beast. You almost did, that was a flip and a half, wasn't it? Oh my gosh. He hit so hard his battery's falling out. Can he do the double backflip Duplinhagen?
Duplinhagen?
Duplinhagen.
Is that like what happens after Popeye uses the bathroom and doesn't get it all off of his butt?
The Florbenschleimer.
Okay.
But first, we take 5 minutes to put body clips on.
Body clips, in case you didn't know, are the second most important thing on an RC vehicle.
Shush.
The first being TheRcSaylors sticker.
Oh yeah, okay, that is true.
What do you think I was going to say?
I don't know what you were gonna say. Oh! You're trying so hard to get that double backflip Duplinhagen. You know this was supposed to be my RC, right?
Oh yeah, do you want to do it?
The battery just fell out! What?
I can honestly say that's
How
a
does the
first.
battery just fall out?
That's a first. Luckily, it's still in good shape. Well, because this is your RC, do you want to try for the double backflip?
Sure, I'll try again.
Or should we take this as a sign to stop now?
I'm sure it's a sign, but no one wants us to stop yet.
Let's go! The queen of ground vehicles is at the controls. Let's see if she can do the double backflip. Now, Abby, you've got to hit this absolute max speed.
I know.
And do you want me to move the ramp farther down? Because the gravel is hard to gain control. That's what I was struggling with, to get traction off the gravel onto the ramp. See? I'll move it down. Oh, no! Oh! Oh! Okay, well, the grinding is just the body rubbing these tires, because when she turns, turn it. Well, here. Yeah, there you go. I think we're okay. Oh, okay, stop. We're not okay. The steering servo is busted. Do you think you can hit it one more time? We think we stripped out the steering servo on that one. We've stripped the steering servo, but we're going for it anyway. Oh, not gonna happen. Not gonna happen. Oh, Abby. This is not, oh! This is not, oh! Oh! You did it! I hope I got that on camera. You nailed it on a busted servo. Oh my gosh. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if not, just get out there and do something that you do enjoy. Don't bring other people down. That's not what this hobby's all about. There's only two ways you can do it wrong. Harmful and hurting somebody, that's one. And the other is to bring other people down. So if you're one of those, you're doing it wrong, get out there and do it the right way and just go have some fun. This is an amazing hobby. And there's something out there for everybody. Look at the bottom of this truck. That aluminum chassis held up so well.
I mean, it's scratching where we missed the ramp. It's definitely scratching the metal chassis.
Yeah.
But for only having broken some of the bumper and the steering servo is pretty weak.
So what? Go ahead and, yeah. Okay, the servo saver probably is what's stripped out because it didn't grind when I did that. Well, that's weird. No, I didn't break it. It's fine.
It's not very strong.
As you're driving it, yeah. So we still have steering a little bit. Probably time for a nice high-tech servo.
And obviously the plastic body is down for in front.
Oh, poor body.
Yeah.
We had a blast. You guys, get out there and do something fun with the hobby. If something in this video interested you, from the truck to the ramp, we'll have it linked in to our stickers. We'll have them linked in the description box below. Just be positive, enjoy the hobby. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.